It was a difficult task coming into the day for Real Madrid, and in the end, they are out of the semi-final stage for the third straight season. It's Borussia Dortmund moving on to their second Champions League final on the day. In the big picture, why was Borussia Dortmund the better team in the series, Brian?
Well, I think you have to go back to the first leg. They were just incredible. They were able to take the chances. You had a player that was just on complete form. But today it showed a little bit difference. Today, they were put up against it. They withstood the first 20 minutes where, quite honestly, Real Madrid could have had 3 goals, and then it would have been real trouble. But for the most part, they stuck together. They were able to do the things correctly. Second half, they could have had a few goals themselves, and that little bit of experience there at the end of trying to kill off the game, maybe they need to work on that. But all in all, it was a great team performance.
And they had to make a major adjustment with Götze going out of the game so early. So they had to. That's more, to me, more of a testament of a good team that they can make a switch on the fly like that and still figure it out. But it was not Madrid's day. Again, they had several opportunities in front of the goal. Higuaín didn't have the best of days. Maybe somebody else dives out of the way, but Weidenfeller stays strong on this one, and Ronaldo just tries to keep it on goal and ends up hitting in the one spot that it gets saved. It's been a bad week for Madrid.
Warren, what's your take on Ronaldo on the day?
I thought he was very quiet. I thought the game just drifted by him. He didn't really take the game by the scruff of the neck. He couldn't really get hold of the game. And that's something that's been pointed at him before. When it's the big occasion, he seems to go missing. They said it in the final with Manchester United. So I think he'll be worried. Mourinho, could it start now being the end of them at Real Madrid, and Iker Casillas and Sergio Ramos have had their say. But I think when you look at Dortmund over 2 legs, every single one of the players, the goalkeeper to the striker, played at their max. And I think that was the difference. You looked at too many players for Real Madrid that had off days. The first leg, Khedira, Pepe. You look at this one, Ronaldo sort of drifted out of it. The goalkeeper was excellent today. The centre forward was excellent last week for Dortmund. And the coach, for me, is a breath of fresh air. Because you know why? He enjoys it. Yeah. He enjoys being in a pressure situation, and he enjoys being with the players.
But that big smile at the end, that was like, okay, just please get this game over with. I'm about ready to lose it.
He has class. Along with the fun part, he has class.
Last time Borussia Dortmund was in the final of the Champions League, 1997. They won it all. Who will they be facing in London?